Let's go. Here we have got finding the equation of the line. And they give us the graph. And we are needed to find out the equation of this straight line. Well, how can we do this? Step 1. You need to write down the formula, standard formula of any straight line, which is mx plus c. Others, they say ax plus q. When you write down the formula, you need second step to find out the y-intercept, which is the c. So that's the easiest one. In our line graph, c equals. How can I find out the y-intercept? Remember, the y-intercept is where the graph cuts on the y-axis, which is now a 2. Therefore, our c equals 2. Well, now we need to find out the value of m. And remember, m is short way of writing gradient. How can we find out m? Yes, there are many ways that you can find out m, and there is a formula that we use to find out a gradient, which is delta y over delta x. Okay, delta y means changes in y coordinates. And the y coordinates, if you go from the origin, and remember to draw your right angle triangle from here, and you take from here to here, we see our, from the origin, the delta y, the changes in y, here is from 0 to here, we see it is 2. If you take 2 and you subtract 0, we get 2. That's the difference of delta y. And we see here from the origin to the x-intercept, we have got 4. And if we take the 4 and we subtract 0, we get 4. And this is the delta x. Now, you need to divide 2, which is delta y, by 4, which is delta x. Therefore, you need to simplify and write your gradient in its simplest form, which is in this case, if you divide 2 by 2 and you divide 4 by 2, we get 2 and we get here 1, which means 1 over 2. Therefore, our m equals 1 over 2x. Now you get your m, and now you have got your c here. What you need is to write down your equation. Well, the standard form of the equation was y equals mx plus c. Now we find out the c, it was plus 2. And we find our m, it is 1 over 2x. Now, you need to bring back your memory and make sure you are writing down the right equation. So now you have get 1 over 2x plus 2. This is the equation that you find out. If you look at your straight line, you see the line is increasing from the left to the right upwards. Therefore, your equation is y equals 1 over 2x plus 2. And it's correct because your m is greater than 0 and the line it is showing is increasing. That is the complete way you need to apply whenever you want to find out the equation of a straight line. And thank you.